you can see in the video below, snapshots of this giant UFO being taken by the camera. Hovering around, see. A new report claims alien hunter demands scientific inquiry after police helicopter captures UFO over Bristol's channel. According to this report, an alien hunter has been accusing the police of withholding facts about a suspected UFO sighting by a helicopter above the Bristol channel. Gary Hasselton, editor of the UFO Truth magazine, has been investigating the sighting of the invisible object, which was captured by thermal cameras 1,000 feet over the Bristol channel. He has demanded a scientific inquiry into the sighting around September 2016, when he later came up with the idea again earlier January 2017. According to the recent video footage shown below, and which was also made public on the National Police Air Service Twitter handle, the video shows an object which could not be seen with the naked eye, accompanied by a caption saying, "Any suggestion?" an emoji from the aliens. The unidentified flying object was filmed by a police helicopter 1,000 feet above the Bristol channel. Some have suggested it could be a balloon or a Chinese lantern, but police have ruled out both ideas because of the heat and movement. The mystery craft was said to be flying against the wind at the same time it was to be undetected by the air traffic control. Mr. Hasselton said in his investigation that he has concluded several Freedom of Information requests to Southwest police officers to obtain flight maps and audio from the cockpit. He said, "I have waited until now to see if I could get much more information from the police or via the FOI request which he has submitted sometimes in 2016. What can I say? It is just that my opinion was debunked by the police and has not truly been investigated." He claims that the police are being unfair and not being transparent to his cause. He also added that the case bears a resemblance to another case in Chile where a Navy helicopter captured a UFO on infrared. Gary added, "I believe this British case is a major UFO event and should be a subject of a scientific inquiry. It is understood that the footage was captured over Bristol on Saturday, September 17, 2016 and shared online by NPASST Athens, the National Police Air Service, which is based in South Wales. More than a week later, they explained to their Twitter followers that their footage, which says it was around 8:30 p.m., was actually taken about 9:30 p.m. when it was dark." Thanks for watching, and for some reasons, regardless of where you are watching this short report from, be it from Africa, from Asia, Australia, America, or the United Kingdom, or whatever country or continent you're watching from, it is crucial and understandable that these signs are signs of the end of days. So do remember to give your life to Christ if you haven't done that. And lastly, always keep an eye on the sky. Remember to leave your comments below and hit the like button. As you can see in the video below, snapshots of this giant UFO being taken by the camera. Hovering around, you can see. hovering about, hovering, coming down, and moving far away and distant from the camera at great heat and velocity. Okay guys, let me show you guys